भी मैथ क्लास होगी. So there is one small activity for you. Okay, so can't see the presentation. There is a one small activity for you, so I want all of you to do this activity. Next slide. Okay, just I'll give you only 2 minutes. Okay, in this 2 minutes I want you to solve this sum. 65 minus 24, and you all will use the chat option to write the answers. 65 minus 24. Let me see. I have opened my chat box to see who answers first. 65 minus 24, what will be my answer? Quick. Very good, Shreyas. Well done. Good job, Shreyas. Shreyas, go to the next sum. Shreyas, you can go to the next sum. 346 minus is keyword of what? Who will tell me? I am tagging one person and he will tell me. Sunny, minus means what? Minus कौन सा keyword है? Which operation has a minus keyword? Addition or subtraction? Sunny, only Sunny will reply. Sunny, unmute yourself. Very good. I can see Ishwari, Soham. Well done. If you are done with the first sum, please go for the next sum. I'll ask Prathamesh. Prathamesh, minus is a keyword of which? Addition or subtraction? Sumed, will you sit properly? Sumed, आप अच्छा हाँ आप दिख रहा है ना? Sit straight, बेटा.
Subtraction.
Very good. Well done, Prathamesh. Good job. So that means the second sum we need to do minus 365 minus 157. Now let me see who gives the second answer. Ankita has give two answers, 41 and 14. Ankita, please rewrite again. What is the correct answer? Is it 14 or 41? Next sum, be quick.
Yes.
What will be my next? Ayush, very good. Quickly, we are done with 2 minutes. Still, I'll give you 1 minute more. (346 minus 157). Second answer, very good. I am not getting the second answer. 346 minus 157. यहाँ पर we are doing borrowing. Okay, we will borrow and then we'll solve the sum. Sangam, you have raised your hand. Very good, Prathamesh. I'll give Prathamesh one. I can see Prathamesh, Shreyas. Well done, great. Arya, can you please recheck your answer, beta? आप एक बार check कर लो. Good, well done. Soham. Quickly now, those the people जो भी बच्चों ने first हो गया है, second हो गया है, go to the third sum. My third sum is take away 47 from 88. Now, Swara, please you write in English, okay, beta? Now again I'll tag one person to tell me take away is a keyword of which operation? Shreyas, can you tell me take away is a keyword of which operation? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Only Shreyas will unmute. श्रेयस, आपको दीदी की आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? आपको सिर्फ बेटा या अनम्यूट. Well done. Very good, Shreyas. That means the third sum is also subtraction. यहाँ पर भी we will do subtract. 88 minus 47. Takeaway is a key word for subtraction. In this third activity, in this third sum also, you will do subtract. So 88 minus 47, what will be my answer? Yes, very good, Shreyas. 41. Swara, 41. Prathamesh, 41. Good. Well done. Okay. So, thank you. Now, we will move ahead. If you are still doing this sum, you can pause and wait and you can do this at the end of the class. जब हमारी class खत्म हो जाएगी, तब आप share कर सकते हो. Didi is going to share this slide with you on WhatsApp group as well. So don't worry. Okay, well done. Arya, please recheck your answer, beta. I think so. You are आप बहुत घाई में कर रहे हो. So do slowly and then solve the sum. Okay. So we'll go to the next slide. Bhaiya, next slide, please. Okay, so today we are, see, now we know how to subtract. हमें subtract करना तो आता है. जैसे कि अभी हमने जितने भी sums किए, सारा हमने subtraction से किया, but हमने number line पे नहीं किया. तो in this class, we will, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn, you all will be able to understand, subtract 2-digit number using a number line. Okay, आज हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं? एक नंबर लाइन है, नंबर लाइन पे हम सबट्रैक्ट कैसे करेंगे? बट देन आई हैव अ डाउट, व्हाट इज नंबर लाइन? मुझे तो नहीं पता है दीदी कि नंबर लाइन क्या होता है. यू ऑल मस्ट बी हैविंग दिस डाउट ना, डोंट वरी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड भैया, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. What is number line? The number line, a line with numbers on it is a number line. नंबर लाइन हम किसे कहते हैं? जब एक लाइन ड्रॉ होती है, as you can see in my picture, when there is a numbers on a line, that is called a number line. So in this class we are going to learn how to subtract. हम जब एक नंबर लाइन पे subtract कैसे कर पाएंगे? आपने अभी जो किया वो नॉर्मल, हमने horizontally या vertically we have learned how to add and subtract horizontally and vertically. But here we are going to understand how are we going to subtract on a number line. Next slide, bhaiya. Bhaiya, next slide. Okay, how to solve the problem using number line. Whenever जब भी आपको ऐसा सम दिखाई देता है कि you are asked to solve a problem using a number line, then we will do the following steps. जब हम ऐसा सम देखते हैं 85 minus 35, 85 minus 35, I know you all can do it on a pen and a paper using जो हमने आपको strategies बताए हैं. But जब उसके आगे लिखा है number line, if भैया my voice is cracking in between.
Continue, Didi.
So, yeah, okay. So whenever we see a question 85 minus 35, I need to solve. But when I see how to do it on a number line, then we are going to follow the following steps. Next slide, Bhaiya. Okay. So steps to solve this. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Look at the numbers and draw a
दीदी
number
इसको भी
line.
लिखना है दीदी
साहिल मैंने
इसको
बोला
भी-
है आपको सिर्फ लिसन करना है बेटा. यू ओनली हैव टू लिसन. जब कुछ करना होगा दीदी विल टेल यू. दीदी विल आस्क यू टू टेक योर पेंसिल एंड अ नोटबुक. अभी आपको दीदी ने कुछ नहीं बोला है ना, तो आपको जस्ट अटेंटिवली होकर सुनना है. सो हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? तो सबसे पहले आई विल लुक एट द नंबर्स एंड ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन. मैं पहले नंबर्स देखूंगी कि क्वेश्चन में कौन से नंबर्स मुझे सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं, एंड देन आई विल ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन. What is my second step? My second step is to place a smaller number at the beginning. जब हमने नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं तो दो नंबर्स होते हैं, उसमें से सबसे छोटा नंबर आई प्लेस इट ऑन द स्टार्ट ऑफ माय नंबर लाइन. जब मेरी नंबर लाइन में लिखूंगी तो सबसे पहले मैं छोटा नंबर लिखूंगी और एकदम एंड वाले पे आई विल राइट द बिगर नंबर. लाइक इफ यू कैन सी आई हैव 85 माइनस 35. तो 35 इज माय स्मॉलर नंबर, तो मैं 35 पहले स्टार्ट में लिखूंगी, स्टार्ट वाले जो नंबर लाइन है, एंड 85 जो है आई विल राइट इट एट द एंड ऑफ द नंबर लाइन. Okay, the two steps are done. Now for the third step, I'll use this step, hop and step. In the physical activity, Sudhakar bhaiya asks you na कि you go 3 steps forward then hop. यहाँ पर हम मैथ्स में भी वही चीज करने वाले हैं. We are going to do step, hop, step. Step, hop, step आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Step के मतलब है यू हैव टू रीच टू द नियरेस्ट टेंस. जैसे कि 35 अगर मैंने शुरू में लिखा है तो नियरेस्ट टेंस 35 का आगे वाला टेंस क्या है? 40. तो आई वॉक 5 स्टेप्स एंड देन आई रीच टू द नियरेस्ट टेंस. देन आई हॉप. हॉप मतलब आई विल जंप. मैं जंप करूंगी कहां से? बड़े बड़े नंबर्स पर, फ्रॉम टेंस टू टेंस, फ्रॉम टेंस टू टेंस. एंड देन अगेन देयर इज अ स्टेप. स्टेप मीन्स जहां हमें छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लेने हैं अपने फाइनल आंसर पर पहुंचने के लिए. ओके, अभी हम जब एक सम सॉल्व करेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि करना कैसे है. आप लोगों को a number line, then here it will be 0, then the smallest number upon these two. The smaller number among both the numbers is 47. So I'll place my number 47 at the start of my number line, and at the end of the number line I'll place number 88. Now, as you know, we have 3 steps, that is step, hop, step. Now first we'll go for the step. Now I need to go for a steps. I'll go towards my tens, that is 47, 48, 49, 50. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So I reach to my nearest unit, that is 50. Now I will take a hop. So jump, I took 3 jumps, 3 steps. I went for 3 steps to reach to the nearest unit, nearest tens, sorry. Then we are going to hop. Hop for the bigger number. That means from 50 to 60, 70, 80. Here comes 60, 70 and 80. So here I have added plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. 1, 2, 3. So we took 3 hops. 3 hops means 30, that is 30. Here we took 3 steps. Now to go to the nearest number, that is 88, we can take a small steps, that is
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87 and 88. So here I added 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To reach to a final answer, we have gone for a 8 steps. So again we took 8 steps. So 8 steps. So now let's see how much are we adding it. Here first we took 3 steps, then we took 30 steps, and then again we took 8 steps. 30 plus 8, 38. If we add both this, we get 38 plus 3, that is 39, 40, 41. I got the answer 41. So to reach from the number 47 till 88, we need to go how many steps? 41 steps. Now let's cross check our answer by adding this number with the smallest number, this number. So if we add 41 with the smallest number, that is 47, we will get the answer 8 and 8. That is a final answer. So what sum we did, that is correct. Okay.
को समझ में आया?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया ना, it's okay. I am going to share this on a WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, please be on mute. सभी बच्चों को समझ में आया? What Didi did? अगर
Yes, teacher.
वेरी गुड. अगर ना भी समझ में आया होगा तो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दिस ऑन अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप सो दैट अगेन यू कैन वॉच अगेन एंड अगेन एंड देन यू विल फाइनली नो हाउ टू डू दिस स्टेप्स. सारे बच्चों को समझ में आया है? ओके, नाउ विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. भैया कैन यू प्रेजेंट द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड? If you have understood, please show me a thumbs up and be ready with a pencil and a notebook.
Sana didi.
Yeah, start bhaiya.
Post, please.
Presentation. Okay, you all are ready. So that now you came to know whenever there is a number line, हमें एक number line draw करनी पड़ेगी. Number line क्या होती है? We have to just draw a straight line. Okay. And now we all are going to do the sum together. हम एक साथ sum करने वाले हैं.
This slide.
Now I can see many kids are on unmute. Please be on mute. अनुष्का, सोहम, म्यूट पे रहना है आपको बेटा.
दीदी हो गई.
Okay. Are you ready with a pencil?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we will try. Sudhakar bhaiya, we can't see the screen. Okay. Sudhakar bhaiya, back. Okay. Now we have seen 88 minus 47. You all came to know how are we going to do this sum? Again, I'll share this. Okay. Again, I'll share this on our WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Now we'll go for the next sum. Bhaiya, next slide. Okay. Now I have the number 50 and 30. Okay. What are you going to do? First, draw a number line. Everybody, take your book and a pencil. Everybody, ready? So, draw a number line. Number line means a straight line. Okay? Who was that? कौन था बेटा? Okay, everybody draw a number line. And then you have, what was my first step? Look at the numbers. Now I will ask Arya. Arya, can you tell me which are the two numbers in my problem? कौन से दो numbers हैं मेरे problem में? It's 50 and 30. Yeah. So you have to tell me from 50 and 30, which is the smaller number? Arya?
Yes.
Which is the smaller number?
30.
30. Very good. So I'll put 30 on the start of my number line. Okay?
Yes.
Put 30 on start of your number line and 50 at the end of the number line. Okay? $50 and 30. Done? If you are done, show me a thumbs up. Okay. Now we will jump from 30 to 50. Now there is no, in between there is no small steps. Okay, we will now hop. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? Directly hop करेंगे. From 30 हम कौन से number पे जाएंगे? Next tense is what? 40. Okay, so we will hop from 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So how many hops we took? हमने कितने hops किए? Who gave this answer? Tanika or Soham? $20 आंसर किसने दिया है? Who gave answer 20?
Me.
Can you tell me your name, बेटा? मी बोल रहे हो आप तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Yes, okay. Whoever gave the answer, that is 20, well done. The answer is 20 because as we go from 30 to 50, we took 2 hops. हमने 2 hops लिए ना? So we got the answer. Okay, now we'll try to do the second sum as well. My second sum is 62 minus 20. Bhaiya, do we have next slide more? हमारे पास? Yeah. So now this sum I'll give you on a WhatsApp group and a video. आपको वो वीडियो देखकर ये sum solve करने हैं and दीदी को WhatsApp group पर भेजना है. Okay? Understood?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
If yes, show me a thumbs up. वही same video आपको
Yes.
देखना है. If you don't understand, I request you to please watch that video 2 to 3 times and then you can solve this sums. Okay? Okay. So what did we do? हमने start किया था number. We did a subtraction, normal subtraction, horizontal and vertical subtraction we did in the start of our class. And then we saw what exactly the number line is. Number line हम किसे कहते हैं? Pratiksha, can you tell me what is number line? What is number line?
नंबर लिखते हैं और हम हॉप करते हैं और काउंट करते हैं.
Okay, बेटा, well done. But number line क्या है? Number line is, anyone wants to try? Ayush, you want to try? What is number line? Ayush, unmute yourself. A number line, okay. A number line is a numbers on a line. एक line होती है जिसपे numbers होते हैं, हम उसे number line कहते हैं. And then we saw how to do a subtraction. ओके नंबर लाइन में सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करना है हमने उसके स्टेप्स देखे और वीडियो देखा. ओके
Yes.
So you all can sit for 1 minute. Keep your books and a pencil aside and close your eyes for 1 minute. हमने अभी जो जो वीडियो में पढ़ा है वो आप सारा कुछ रिकलेक्ट करोगे. You will recollect what all we did in our class. We started with our morning meeting, then with a math class, and in that math class we learned about the number line subtraction, 2-digit subtraction. Okay, slowly open your eyes. Open your eyes. Slowly rub your hands and place it on your eyes. Okay, now again we are meeting at 10:15 for our next class. Okay, तो आपको पता करना, you all